What's up, everybody? Welcome to the next episode in my course. This one is on 3D hubs. So, if you've never heard of 3D hubs before, well, it's kind of similar to Uber, where you can list your 3D printer and other people can find your 3D printer and send you their 3D designs, and in return, you print it out for them and receive money. Part of this goes towards the materials, part of this goes to you. But this is great overall if you're both a designer or a 3D printer owner. It's a great way to utilize the extra time where your 3D printer is not being used. You can make extra money on the side if you are a designer. And 3D hubs, I mean, they're not just a 3D printing service. They actually provide some of the coolest statistics that I've found anywhere. And I mean, they're very useful. They have a huge community of people, and they host meetups where people can showcase their own 3D printers and help other people learn how to use 3D printing and create their own 3D printers. And it's a massive community, and I encourage you to check it out. And so today, we're going to kind of test print our pawn piece and locate a 3D printer and get it printed. We'll have some fun with this. And yeah, so like I said, 3D Hubs, cool website. It's pretty much a quick rundown of the homepage. They've got events. They've got a hub. And they've got a community. So I can either go to start a 3D print, and they actually just released 3D print in HD, where if you have a commercial 3D printer, you can actually list it and people can find you now. So you can actually get high quality, high definition, hence HD prints straight from your local community. Pretty cool. But I'm going to press the 3D print button over here. So right now I'm in San Diego. But I'm also in this folder getting this pawn piece. And so, yeah. Let's look for a hub close to me. I'm gonna choose by printer. Ryan's hub here. Let's print it out. Semiflex. Black. Hey Ryan. Thanks for the print. Looking forward to it. Best, Jeff. Alright, so we just keep going. Look at my options. So do I want to pick it up or do I want them to ship it to me? If I have them to ship it to me, I'm going to have to pay a little bit extra for shipping charges, unless he does delivery, and then you're going to have to do some personal contact if you want to schedule some kind of delivery. But for now, I'm just going to schedule. I'm going to pick it up, enter in my email, Jeff at 3D Masterminds, and then just send requests. And that's it. I've successfully placed an order without even having a 3D printer for a 3D print. And now I can get my 3D print in 3 days. How awesome is that? It's like not having a car, but being able to get from A to B because of Uber. Someone else's equipment. It's fantastic. So let's go through some other cool features in 3D hubs. So like I said, I mean, you can list your own 3D printer. I just showed you how to print with your own 3D printer, but you can actually list your own 3D printer. Now, one of the coolest things on here is the 3D printing trends. actually shows you where all the printers are located worldwide. These are all the HD ones. It shows you highest rated 3D printers. Just some awesome stats. These are all based on real user reviews, both owners and receivers of prints, so you know that this community is giving accurate and very trustworthy ratings for all these prints. And since the 3D Hubs is unique in itself, it can kind of track its own data, which is unique because it's a network where people can list their own things on it. So it's great for tracking trends such as printers and who has what, where, and what region and around the world. You see here some trending printers. Ultimaker 2 Extended just came out recently. Micro M3D, that's the one I've showed you earlier. Form 1 Plus, TAS 5. Some pretty good 3D printers that are trending. Top print cities: New York, Los Angeles, London, Milan, Paris, Amsterdam, Chicago, Boston, San Francisco, and Toronto. It's quite nice. Printer model distribution. So from this chart, I mean, you can see Ultimaker 2 is the most popular 3D printer with 1,700 listed on 3D Hub. So I mean, there's more out there, but just listed, there's an enormous amount of 3D printers here. So really, if there isn't one like nearby where you can actually pick it up, you can have them ship it to you. So just about every 3D printer is listed here. So you might as well just find the one you want without having to buy one and print out what you need. Pretty cool, huh? This is an interesting chart. Printer listings since 2013. It's kind of following an exponential growth, don't you think? And I mean, there's some cool stats. Check it out for yourself. 3D Hubs. I mean, they've got a 3D printer guide as well, materials guide, how to 3D print, everything you need to learn, and there's also a community.